Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you are having a wonderful day. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I made these Galaxy Space press-on nails. So I've already done a swatch video that should have gone up yesterday or sometime this week of me swatching these gel polishes, and I couldn't believe how much they resembled. It was like a gel version of Holo Toco's unicorn skins. So I decided to do a Galaxy / Space set using these gels, which I fell in love with. I love it. I'm so happy with the actual outcome. So we are going to start my normal prep, which you've seen. It pops off the holder a few times. I don't know why. I think twice. So I am just buffing the shine out of the nail. I do this for all of the nails. Then I go in with the base coat and I apply a thin, even layer across all of the nails and cure for 60 seconds. Once that is done, I paint the middle and ring finger in the nude colour. I do 2 coats of this, but I only show you one, and then I do 2 coats of black polish on the thumb, index finger and little finger. I cure all of these for 60 seconds and then I come in with the black gel polish, and on the middle finger and the ring finger I paint like a chevron French tip, I guess. It's sort of, I don't know, it looks like a chevron French, it's a tip anyway. And I cure again for 60 seconds and then I go in with each colour of the Galaxy gel polish. I absolutely love these gel polishes, they are stunning and I think they're like my new favourite glitter polishes. Yeah. Amelia, it's something like Amelie maybe. Is it Amelie? I think I got it right. Oh gosh. But I have only recently started using their gel polishes. I've only got like 3 sets of their gel polishes and I'm absolutely in love. They are so nice. They are all 1 coat coverage. Apart from the nudes, you do need like 2 coats of full opacity, but yeah, I'm really impressed with this gel polish brand, and they're all on Amazon and they're pretty cheap. I think they're even cheaper than Beetles, and Beetles is, you know how I feel about Beetles. So anyway, now going on to, like I said, once I painted the black tip. Everything's in the video, by the way, don't worry, I don't like cut it out, so you will see what I'm doing. Once I'd done that, I then painted the glitter on top of the black, because you can use a white, you can use any surface. I think I've not actually tried it on any of the other colours, like different coloured nail polishes. I really should. I think I will. So once that is done, then I'm gonna let you guys watch this bit and then I will be back when we do the actual nail art. So enjoy and I will see you guys in a minute. I'm back, guys, hello. So once I had painted on the last piece here of the gel, I stick it into the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I decided to go in with Born Pretty White Stamping polish and a stamping plate. I got these off of Amazon and I will link them down below. This is the first time I've ever done any stamping. I bought these stamping plates just because I wanted to do a space theme, and these all have like star signs and stuff like that. So here is the clear jelly stamper. So I tried to pick up the planet, and for some reason it wasn't working. I don't know why, it was being really weird. I had used these just before the video just to like test them, and they were working, so I don't know why. And then when it finally did work, I wasn't recording. So I do get as much of the stamping as I can in here. So we do pick up the astronaut, and he picked up fine, and I stuck him down here in the bottom. I think this is the thumbnail. This is actually my favourite nail out of the set because of all the 3 different like colours and stuff, so yeah. Then I done a shooting star and a star staying still on my index finger, and again it wasn't picking up again. It might have been me, honestly, because it was picking up and then it wasn't picking up. I don't know what I was doing wrong. You can also see my face in it, by the way. Don't pay attention to the way I look. I look rough. It's so hot today, by the way, guys. You might hear my fan, and if you do, I apologise. It's Welsh weather. Like, we're meant to be having a thunderstorm, apparently. But anyway, going back to the nails. So, and then I do, I've forgotten what it's called. Continents? Is it continents? No. Oh, God, I done this last time, remember? Remember I done this last time? The stars, you know, where they all like join up to make like a picture in the sky, are constellants. No? I can't remember. So anyway, I put this on my pinky, but again, it didn't pick up. It was really stressing me out a little bit, not gonna lie. But eventually I did pick it up, and then I put this onto my pinky, and yeah, it was really easy to like get the hang of. So yeah, I had no complaints. Then once I'd done this, I did top coat, and I stuck some rhinestones here and there to make it look like twinkly stars, and I cured for 60 seconds, and then that was basically it, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe and keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one, guys. Bye! I begin to You're mine for sure.